let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello sisi ko, happy birthday. Wala na akong masabi kasi napaka-the best mong BFF. Thank you, dumating ka sa buhay ko. Lalo na sa family na One Piece family. Hindi mo kami iniwan at marami pa tayong pagsubok na pagdadaanan. Magsama-sama tayo hanggang dulo. Hindi ka namin iiwan sisi ko. Happy birthday. Mahal ka namin sisi ko. Then, happy birthday ulit. Thank you so much. Sisi ko, I love you.
Happy birthday to you, Co-Captain Sisi Koy Kisi. Ayun, more birthdays to come and stay healthy and pretty po. Ayun, thank you, Co-Captain, kasi ikaw yung naging kahalili namin ni Mami sa ating family. And masasabi ko na as co-captain, you are so dedicated and lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang kami sa tabi mo, mapakalungkutan, kasiyahan, dadamayan ka namin. One chat away, one call away, alam mo na yan. Ayun, isang malupitang wish para sa'yo, sana dumating yung taong deserve ng pagmamahal mo. Alam ko kung gaano ka magmahal. Sana kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo ngayon, di na maulit. Ayun, happy birthday ulit sisi ko. I love you.
Happy birthday ko, Cap Casey. More birthdays to come. God bless you.
To my lovely and dear, beautiful Sisi Koy Kisi, I love you so much and wish you all the best. Happy birthday for the year 2025. Wish for your happy and unending love.
Everyone, I just want to greet a happy birthday to you, Sisi Koy Kisi. I hope you like this with a simple birthday greetings to you. I love you so much and thank you for being such a girlfriend with us. God bless you and Happy New Year. I hope your dreams come true. Thank you.